Adam, what's the latest from the Ezekiel Elliott case?
Stan, in this situation where the case was filed this evening in the Eastern Court of Texas, and right now, basically, the NFLPA has filed a temporary restraining order in that Eastern District of Texas, calling for the courts to block any suspension of Ezekiel Elliott upheld by the NFL arbitrator Harold Henderson. The NFLPA filing calls for the court to vacate any suspension based on the process issues and new facts revealed during this week's appeal hearing that wrapped up on Thursday. If Henderson rules that Elliott remains suspended for any stretch of games, the court then can decide to stay the suspension while it reviews the case. And if you look at the document that was filed in the courts tonight, basically it's a situation where the NFLPA accuses the NFL and Harold Henderson of making it a league-orchestrated conspiracy to hide critical evidence that would completely exonerate Elliott. That's in the filing. Those are the words that are in the filing, not my own, not the NFLPA's. That's in the public document court case here. And it's a situation here where we've seen the NFL and the NFLPA in court before, and it looks like we could be headed there once again now.
So, Adam, a part of the process that the NFLPA is talking about, and you can speak to this, Kia Wright-Roberts is the NFL's director of investigations. She's the only person who spoke with Ezekiel Elliott's accuser, but she says she was not a part of the committee that recommended discipline to Commissioner Roger Goodell. What part of that is included in this with the NFLPA taking this to court?
Well, Stan, the filing is over 30 pages, so it just came in and I'm just going over it. But basically, that's definitely a part of it. The NFL is complaining that process was not followed here, that Kia Roberts, one of the investigators here, was the only one to interview Tiffany Thompson. She never met with Lisa Friel. She never met with Roger Goodell, and yet the NFL went ahead and suspended Ezekiel Elliott for 6 games. That's why this is being filed, to complain about the process and about the league, as we mentioned, to use those words, orchestrating a conspiracy to hide critical evidence that would exonerate Elliott. And in this particular case, the NFLPA filed that case in the Eastern District of Texas, and they're trying to ensure they got to Dallas and have this court case held in Dallas before the NFL can file anything in the Southern District of New York, which we saw the league do in the case of Tom Brady and Deflategate.